Now, it's been 3 rounds into the first full season of 4-day cricket for the West Indies Academy team, and already there is optimism for the team to produce more players to the senior team in the foreseeable future. But as you'll hear in this report from Jerome Foster, head coach Rehan Griffith has a slight concern about one area.
Getting West Indies back to the summit of the world in cricket has become a recurring talking point for close to 30 years after Australia knocked the regional team off its perch. In the last couple of seasons, Cricket West Indies has embarked on a journey to have the region's best emerging talent play in the premier regional tournaments. Jamaica's Jordan Johnson is part of the 13-man West Indies Emerging Academy squad to take on the Jamaica Scorpions this week. That has Joshua Dorn, who was part of the recent Under-19 World Cup, and 10 others who have played at that level. Rehan Griffith is the man given the responsibility to oversee the development of the players.
Well, as I mentioned, the bowling is something I was very impressed with in terms of building pressure, and I thought that is our main strength, and I was very impressed the way they carried themselves in the competition so far. However, the batting, as we mentioned before, we just need to get better at the top of the order. We get better at the top of the order, I believe we will make 300 plus runs.
Barbadian Naeem Young, who played 2 Under-19 World Cups in 2018 and 2020, is ready to usher in excellence.
I said some of the guys from the academy have already moved on. Kurt McKenzie's gone on to play Test cricket through the academy. Matthew Ford has played one-day cricket through the academy. Teddy Bishop played in the series against Australia in that one-day series just last 2 months ago. So I mean, the academy guys are progressing to the senior team. So it's really good to see boys going forward.
The emerging team surprised the Leeward Islands in the first round, but suffered defeats to Guyana Harpy Eagles and the Trinidad and Tobago Red Force.
It has to be patient. You know, young people want things to be happen fast, but things doesn't happen fast in everything. You have to understand and read the situation. We are here, yes, we may give points, but it's for them now to show that they are learning.
The academy offers a lot of opportunities, which is really good, and the way it also does is allow us to play all around the region. We played in Antigua, we played in St. Kitts, we played here in Jamaica, we're going to Trinidad after, so it gives us the opportunity to understand the different conditions across the Caribbean, especially at the 4-day level, and they only help our games and our confidence.
The saying is that Rome wasn't built in a day, but the resurgence of the West Indies has seemingly taken forever, but small steps are still regarded as major moves.
They're far away. It's just for them to learn fast and to make the adjustment and win situation inside the game. Other teams, if you look back into the competition, the first 4 rounds, it's the same problem across the West Indies. The top order, you're not getting that impact at the top of the order. So that is something we really want to improve in West Indies cricket.
Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.